Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, between two rivers empires rise, between two towers empires die? What have we done with all our pride? We march to war on every side. Our soldiers bleed on desert sand, for distant shores we don't command. The lands we swear that we will take crumble to ash for empire's sake. We build our towers brick by brick, while sand already starts to stick. Pride will bring the reckoning, pride will call its reckoning. Darkness feeds the growing dark, dark begets the deeper dark. Every flame must face the night, every light will lose its spark. Look at what we have become, see the thing we have become. Waging wars till kingdom come, endless wars till kingdom come. Our armies march, our missiles fly. Babylon taught us how we die. The sand is rising grain by grain, covering the blood we've slain, swallowing the blood we've slain. All must return to dust at last. Nothing built on blood will last. Where are we going with our guns? Fighting wars that can't be won. We plant our flags on foreign ground, while our own towers crumble down. The lessons carved in ancient stone, we read but leave them there alone. Babylon fell when pride stood tall. Now watch us climbing toward our fall. Blood demands that blood be paid, blood will call for blood repaid. Conquest turns a sword to graves, every sword that we have raised falls like water from our hands, crumbles into dust and sand. This is what we have become, endless wars till kingdom come. Our armies march, our missiles fly. Babylon taught us how we die. The sand is rising grain by grain, swallowing the blood we've slain. All must return to dust at last. Nothing built on blood will last. Tell me, what do we become? What have we done? What have we done? The sand already covers us. Our children ask what we became. We have no answer, only shame. Everything we fought to hold slips away, it turns to cold. It turns to nothing, turns to cold. Judgment comes for all we've done. This is what we've become at last. Babylon reborn to walk the past. Our pride, our wars, our righteous way will all return to dust and clay. The sand is burying us alive. No empire built on blood will thrive. All must turn to dust at last. Everything we built won't last. Between two towers, here we stand. Watch us sinking into sand. What have we done? Done. What have we